Hello, I'm Sally with the Homespun Hobby, and I just wanted to let you know about a product I just added to the website. This is a giraffe painting, canvas only. You can print it off at home if you have a wide printer. This piece of paper is 12 by 12. I sent it to Staples because I don't have a wide printer. It has the color key code here. There's 70 colors. So this is something you can do with your leftover drills. You will need an adhesive. I'm not going to give you a price on how much it costs to be printed, because I sent an email and I said, this is like 9 by 10 plus the code. So it's slightly larger than 11 by 17. Please print it on the appropriate size paper. And I said, it's a test print, so an inexpensive paper. So you can call and see what kind of paper your print shop has, or even if they print on canvas. So this is $2.99 on homespunhobby.com. So I hope you will go grab it. Oh, let me hold it up close. This is available in square only. So the codes are very clear. I can't see what I'm showing you because I'm behind my camera. There we go. It does tell you how many diamonds you need. And from way back here, this giraffe is adorable. Okay, I hope you'll go grab one. And also, don't forget, I still have this mystery painting. This you can print on an 11 by 17. And I have the instructions and the key code in a zip file. So when you purchase this, the key code will download with it. And I forget how many colors this has offhand, actually. All right. Have a great day, and I will see you again soon. Thanks for watching.